Welcome, my phone name is a Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on the device. So there are several ways we can do this. I'm going to show all of them, but the outcome is basically the same. So let's start off with opening up the content that we wish to capture, which I'm gonna go with this page right here. Actually, let's go with the settings so I can show another part to it. So once you have opened the content that you want to capture, the first way you can do it is by holding the power key and volume down. You'll get this animation right here, and from here you can see that the image is taken. You'll also have the option to take a scrollable one, as you can see. So by the first time it shows you this little animation right here, and it won't go away till you interact with it. But later on, after you take it, after a second or two, the screenshot just disappears. So from here you can tap on scrollable ones and it opens this up, and you can grab it or just let it go. When you let it go, it just slides till it reaches the end, at which point it will stop. Or you can just select it yourself, just slide down the point that you want, and from there tap on done. Okay, now we need to give permission to the SD card because apparently it wants to save in there. Okay, so there we go. So you have the entire screenshot, then you have to tap save, and that's about it. So that was the first way. Now we can do it. And the second way, sometimes it's the 3 fingers, and it looks like it works. So you basically take 3 fingers, slide them down as you just see me do, like so. And the last way you can do it is through notification panel, and you have the toggle right here. So you just tap on it, screenshot, and it does the same thing. Now whichever method works for you, you can stick with just that one. It doesn't really change anything. It's just the way you capture the screenshot. Other than that, it does the same thing. And now all the screenshots that we have captured will be located in the gallery app right over here. Can I disregard this? Nope, apparently not. So now let's go to album, and in here we should have the screenshot album, which it is here. And you can see there are the several screenshots that I have captured, along with the one that is, well, super long. You can see basically captured the entire settings page almost. So those are the different ways you can capture a screenshot on the device, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.